thinking about AR and VR, because we every time we think that it is only for the circuit branches and not for all other branches. During the course, it was very fantastic to see mechanical examples being showcased, and all the participants and resource person was so integrate in this FDP. We had a very good time. Now, I call upon Dr. CV Adke sir to welcome the August gathering.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome dignitaries and the participants to this validatory function of FDP on AR and VR. I welcome our beloved principal, Dr. Basavaraj Katkeri, to this function. Welcome, sir. I also welcome the deans, HODs of various departments to this function. I welcome all the faculty and the participants to this function. I wish good luck for all the participants for the test. Thank you. Thank you, Anurag.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Now I request the coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Sunil Sangoli, sir, to just give a gist of what has happened over the 5 days and to review this FDP. Over to you, sir.
Our beloved principal, Dr. Basraj Katkeri, head of the department, Professor Chandrasekhar Adki, deans, other heads of the department of a college, honorable associate persons, galaxy of participants, faculty, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great honor to listen to all the resource person from premier institutes of our country. We began with Professor Karnakaran, who demonstrated his research projects. He spoke vividly on application of virtual reality. He just said introduction, but was very vivid in his explanation. Next speaker, Dr. Prasad, spoke on application to education, which was very, very important. And in the evening, we had Professor Subhashish, who gave us an introductory remark of augmented reality. And then yesterday, like 3 sessions, he demonstrated how practically we can use both augmented reality and virtual reality into various applications. Then we had Professor Emeritus of IIT Guwahati, Professor Pradeep M.E. Avar, who uh, threw a lot of light on application of virtual reality into system design and then manufacturing, various applications. His explanation was elaborate on various applications, including IT. And then in the afternoon, we had very good sessions, practical sessions by NITK Surathkal, how to use virtual reality into education during the pandemic. And then the next day, we had Professor Sumit Dogra, who spoke on application on of both augmented reality and virtual reality into IT. And then in the afternoon, we have a very good practical demonstration of EON XR by Madam Sangeeta Das and Bhavya, who gave a very good explanation of how to use EON XR for various educational purposes. And yesterday evening, we had uh, Professor Amit Kamra, who spoke about how to view various applications of virtual reality and augmented reality using Google Cardboard. Participants could see a lot of applications of this into entertainment and education. So it was a very vivid experience for all of us. I hope all participants did enjoy. I should profusely thank AICT on the behalf of Board of Management, KLE Society, principal and faculty for having sponsored such a uh, thrust area on augmented reality and virtual reality. Probably this could become a hot topic for all the research, main research canvas of every college. Over to you, Sadiq.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now I call upon our beloved principal, Basavaraj Kadgiri, sir, to give the presidential remarks.
Head of the department, Professor C.V. Adke, coordinator of this FDP, Professor Sunil Sangoli, all the deans, HODs, staff of this college, and the other esteemed colleagues, teaching fraternity who have participated into the who have participated for this program across the country. Good morning to one and all. At the outset, I am very happy and let me put on records. our words of appreciation and congratulations to Team Mechanical for having successfully completed this AICT sponsored Atal FDP on AR, VR and its applications. Yeah, there are participants from various institutes across the country, and you all have attended these 5 days sessions. And as just explained and given the insight of the whole program by Professor Sunil Sangole, I get to understand that much of it has been covered. New areas have been shown insight, and your way of thinking about that domain will change. And I was there very much totally for the first session given by Professor Karunakaran. I was highly, impressed and astonished to know that such a kind of work is going on in this area, and it is being taken up by students at IIT, guided by the professor like Karunakaran. So my only word of appeal to all of you is see that when you go back or in your institutes, when you continue to work, please use this knowledge, disseminate to your colleagues in the department and the students, and take up the projects. There is a lot of scope for research in this area. Those of you are yet to do PhD or those who are passionate about research, please see that you pick up these areas and start working in that and come out with good outcomes in the form of good publications, quality publications, and patents and any other working models. Like we saw, we were highly impressed about the Professor Karunakaran's work, because he could, it was a working prototype model, and they have spent so much of time and energy on that, and they could build that model, the drone, which we could see could fly up to 2 feet, come up to 2 feet, and then there are many things. Now they will work on it, and someday it's going to be reality. And one line I remember about Professor Karunakaran's lecture is, be the first to do, be the initiator, not to wait for being the best. It's very difficult to become the perfectionist. So it will take time, and you wait till that time, and then you try to be the best. The whole area would have become obsolete. People would have done it already. So whatever new ideas come to you, you keep trying at the elementary level or the basic model. Go on improvising. Go on adding the parameters. Go on doing the changes. So all this can be done only when you start. So the first to do is, invento. We have kept a word called invento for our Technofest, which is done in our college. The word invento means first to do. We are the first to do. So anything in life, I also very much concur with Professor Karunakaran. You should be the first one or the first group to do, initiate, and keep improvising on that. That is how, you call it as the additions or improvisation one after the other. So with these words, I congratulate all the participants for having attended this program, and also you have interacted. You will take back all the good things from these virtual classes or the webinars. And again, I repeat and request you all, make use of it. Don't leave it. It should not be for just a certificate kind of documentation. That will always be there. But somewhere, if you can, give it to your students or somebody else, and from this course, this was useful, and we have made use of that. This is how it should be. So with these words, thank you all again. And I will take your leave now. We have got some FDP presentations by our staff, so I have to leave. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, Professor Sadiq, I'm done with. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye.
Now I call upon Dr. Sangoli sir to give the vote of thanks.
Yes, again here. Our beloved principal, Dr. Baswaraj Kukeri, head of the department, Professor Chandrasekhar Adki, deans, head of other departments of a college, honorable resource persons, galaxy of participants, faculty, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Board of Management, KLE Society, principal, staff, I profusely thank All India Council of Technical Education, New Delhi, for sponsoring this FDP on augmented reality and virtual reality. I take, deem it a great honor to thank all the resource person who for enlightening the participants with their immense knowledge. I thank all the participants for your great cooperation. I thank all my colleagues for pitching in their support uh, and organizing this faculty development program. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Participants, as the final ritual, I ask all of you to switch on your webcams for a final get together photo shoot. Waiting for other participants also. Okay, thank you everyone. As discussed yesterday in the WhatsApp group, the test will start exactly at 11. We'll be sharing the test link in WhatsApp group itself, and it will have 1 hour time, and you can give it directly. I thank all the participants by from the Department of Mechanical Engineering for giving the 5 days of work time and adjusting their classes and attending very religiously. Thank you one and all.